In this life, every human being have got reason to thank his or her she, have got reason to be grateful. You see, if you focus on that your life is incomplete because some things are lacking, because you have not been able to achieve some things, you have not been able to get some desires, you have not been able to achieve certain goals. If you are thinking of it, have you ever paused for a while to actually count the things that you have been able to achieve, the things that you have, not just counting the things that you lack? You have life, you have your health. You may be complaining that, my business is not moving fine. I have goods in the shop, but I'm not selling. Have you thought of people who don't even have shop? Have you thought of people who don't even measure up to the standard you are currently? Ụwa anaghị ezu oke. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-eche until ụwa ezuoru gị oke for you to develop positive mindset and be grateful, just know that you can never be grateful in life and you can never develop any positive mindset because ụwa adịghị ezu oke. Onweghị onye ụwa zuru oke. Meet the richest human being in this world now. Interview him or her. The person ga-agwakwa gị that there are some things that are lacking in his or her life. O nwere ndị ga-eme itie n'ụwa. A man that na condition gị bụ something to glorify your shifo. maka na o nwere ihe my mom na-ada ekwu, ọ sị na ọ bụrụ na nke emeghọ, emeghọ nke karịa ime. You are crying that you are not married and you want husband. Have you ever asked yourself, your situation is about marriage. What if you were given this marriage and another thing was denied of you? Maybe you are given this marriage and your health is denied of you. Okay, you are crying that you are now, have you ever asked yourself, what if I am now given this child that I'm looking for and then something else, maybe peace, is denied of me? Let me tell you, for you to have one thing, another thing must be denied of you. That is life. Life is not balanced. For you to have one thing, something else must be denied of you. So you are crying for that one that you don't have. What if that one was given you and a worse one was denied? That is, what if you are given that thing that you are complaining about, but at the expense of something that is worse? Think about it. My name is Ezinwa Anaedo. I come for the total restoration of ordinary omenala Igbo. Join us in our every Nkwasaraka. Chat me on WhatsApp 08032477868. Thank you.